Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can basically remove your taskbar while you're on your PC to make your screen a little bit bigger. As you can see right now, I don't have my taskbar. If I want it, it pops up when I scroll down like so, but typically it is not available, it is hidden, and it makes my screen larger, especially if I'm doing some other stuff on the computer, or I just want to, be more aesthetic and show the actual full length of my screen. By hiding the taskbar, it does this. So to basically hide your taskbar on Windows 11, all you're going to have to do is go to your taskbar, go to search, and then we're going to go to settings. Now, once we're in settings, once it pops up, we're going to go ahead and click personalization. Now, once you're in personalization, you can see a variety of settings in personalization, things you can utilize to, make it more your style, align more with whatever you like on your PC. For instance, you can edit themes, background, etc. But if you want to remove the taskbar, all you have to do is go to the taskbar settings right here. And you see taskbar behavior, system pins. You're going to want to click that. And then once we open this, you're going to see a variety of things. You're going to see what we get on task view. We're going to see our widgets available, our resumes, which all of this we can play with if we like. And then if you scroll down, you're going to see touch keyboard if you have that. But what we're going to want to click is taskbar behaviors right here. So we're going to click that. And then here we're going to see what we can do with our taskbar. We can do alignment to the left or center, which is, as we see right here, it's in the center. If we do left, it'll be on the left like so. Typically, I leave it as center, and this is the next part. So taskbar alignment, we have that, and what we want to see is whether or not we can hide the taskbar while utilizing it. And it is this toggle right here, automatically hide the taskbar, which is what I already have. As you can see, we don't have the taskbar while here. I click this, the taskbar is back. So by clicking this, it hides the taskbar, and it'll only appear whenever you scroll your mouse down and try to make it appear. But by simply doing this, by clicking this, it would always be there. So if you want your taskbar to be hidden, simply toggle this from the settings, and it'll be exactly like mine, where it's hidden the majority of the time, unless you want to scroll down and have it appear. Take note, once again, you can do this through if we wanted to basically hide our taskbar, or have it if we wanted it, and you can also adjust with the alignment as we see here. So by either doing one of those and clicking this, we can either hide or have our taskbar constantly visible. But for me, I at least prefer it to be like this, because this way we get the entire screen, and if we need it, we can just scroll down and get it. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.